Hello, I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live again on today with another email marketing strategy to grow your brand, reach, and revenue, which I call Chit Chat Cash. And so on today, I'm creating another email that will go out to my email subscriber newsletter. Okay. Now, when it comes to creating email newsletters, you can actually have them go out every day. You can have them go out every other day, maybe once a week, every 2 weeks, a monthly. Just depends on you and how often you want to chit chat with those who have decided to become a part of your email list. Okay. And they did that from coming in on your website or Facebook page, Instagram, or YouTube channel, wherever you put a link for them to click to say, hey, I want to get what it is you're offering. Okay. And what you'll be offering initially is something free, whether it is a coupon, a discount, a free chapter of your book, an ebook, 10 steps, 15 ways, you name it. That's pretty much how that goes. Now, with my email list that I'm adding these letters to, it's actually for those who bought my kneeling prayer pillows. Okay. And so I have a new product that I'm adding to my product line, which is a Bible trivia board game. Okay. And so I'm warming them up because my board game will be here the week of Valentine, which is actually my birthday. And so I'm kind of letting them know, hey, here's a new thing that I've been working on. It's coming out. And just want to kind of get them familiar with this whole concept here so that when I do get it, and I get some video footage of people playing it and different comments and stuff. I'll be sharing that, but I'll also be able to say, hey, would you like to get a copy of this now that they feel like they've been a part of this all along? Okay, so here's the next letter that I came up with. Okay, yes, you can create a board game. Use my simple plan. Okay, I believe that anyone can create a Bible trivia board game, but it's not easy to stay motivated to do it, nor is it easy to do. Yet it is doable. Okay. Now, the thing that motivated me is that I believe that we should strive to be a church grower. Okay. If you have just one family member, friend, or neighbor that may not have a relationship with Christ or has become stagnant with their walk and need your help getting back on track, then these were my motivators and maybe yours also. Okay. Now, I created the Church Grower Bible Trivia game with these things in mind. So when you get a copy of the game, invite over your family and friends to play and have fun with this game. Okay. Then look forward to hearing them say things like, I need to get back in church. I need to read my Bible more, and whatever else they may, based on the trivia cards that they'll be getting. Okay. Basically, you will be positioning them to see that there's room for improvement and seek to do better. Okay. Now, if you have just one friend or family members that need your help getting back on track spiritually, would you help them by getting a copy of this game? You purchase this game, invite your friends over for fun, and let God do the rest. It's really that easy. Okay. And of course, I have my PS. If you want more details on this board game, go here and grab your seat to the Church Grower game night to be the first to play live in person. And got my scarcity in here. So how cool is that? All right. So you go do the same thing. You create an email that's going into details about some situation that your particular product or service is going to help them with. Okay. And that's pretty much hopefully the message that they got out of this. Hopefully that's what you got out of it. And if you say, you know what, I didn't really get that out of that, but put that down there, okay, in the comments, and let me know how you think I really should have said what I wanted to say. Okay. So if you need any assistance with anything and when it comes to email marketing, go ahead on and reach out to me, and you can set up an appointment with me at wevoiceit.com/appointment. I have free 30-minute power half an hour consultation where we can talk about a strategy for you to start getting your emails drafted up, and hopefully you're using these templates that I have and just changing them up to be in line with your product or service. Okay, so until next time, continue to make that chit chat cat.